Unfortunately, most human behavior is learned observationally through modeling from others. Well said by Professor Albert Bandura. Hello viewers, hope you are doing good. Today we will have insight into Dr. Bandura's social learning theory. So what is this social learning theory? It is nothing but what we do every day. That is observing. We observe people outside, the way they communicate, the way they walk, they perform activities, and these observations we inculcate and try to learn ourselves. Whether it be good or bad, we just take them into our behavior. Now, there are two ways of learning. One is the direct learning. Example, in our lab, in school, we perform experiments hands-on. So this is the direct learning. The second method is the indirect learning. Example, many a times our lab assistant or teachers do the experiment. Still we learn by observing. We mostly think direct learning is better way. But that's not the case. Most of the things we learn in life is through indirect learning, by observation. This vigorous learning process is more important. We inculcate many actions through this observational learning. Let's take an example of a child. We know all childs are keen observers. They, they notice minute things which mostly we don't notice many a times. Example, a child sees elders or an elder member in the family while eating. If the elder member doesn't like the food, he throws away the plate. Child notices this activity. Next time when such a thing happens, he also doesn't like the food. He remembers. As he memorizes that action, he also throws a plate. This observational learning is bad, but still it's learning. Now, there are four main steps in this method of learning. First one is observation of the model. In the previous case, father was the model. Second is putting the observation into the mind, that is memorizing. Third is putting the memory into actions. And the fourth is repeating the memory. Now let's take another example. A girl. She watches TV, a cookery show, learns how to make a dish. She puts it into action, memorizes it first, and then puts it into action by making the dish. Serves it to people, and people give good feedback. She likes the action. She again and again repeats the process. This is observational learning. So, what we learn from this? We must always be cautious of our actions and our behavior. Never know, someone is noting it or someone is taking it into account and learning from it. So friends, hope the social learning theory is on your fingertips. Thank you.